What's up YouTube? Champagne Capo once again bringing you another video. Here is part 2 of the vending machine series. This time, if you watch the first CVS vending machine video that I did, I bought about $65 worth of tickets. And this time I bought these from Stater Brothers, which is a grocery store here in Southern California. Bought the same tickets, exact same kind, denomination, amount, everything, etc., whatever, just to be fair, to make a fair comparison. You know, if you did it again, it probably reach different results. But what the heck? Let's just have a little fun with it and see whether or not that vending machine is something going to. So it's a new vending machine that they installed, so why not bless it with a new video. So let's see what the dealer has. Hopefully everybody had a good New Year's. I was in the live stream with one scratcher at a time, which was pretty cool. I think he was doing like an 8-hour or 9-hour stream. That's crazy, man. Congrats to you. But let's go. Dealer has, zoom in, focus it. Dealer has Jack, okay, 3 of a kind, which is pretty normal for, and we're going to be using my Morongo $5 chip. This is a real chip. This ain't souvenir or anything. You can actually cash this in. Let's do the fast chip, 54 and 53. Okay. We have to beat 3 of a kind. Queen, 2 pair, no. 7, 3, 4, nothing. 10, 5, nothing. 2 pair. 4, 5, 6. Nope. Ace, deuce, nope. 2 pair. Come on, we gotta get a 1 win. Could be a flush. Okay, 2 more to go. 3, 6, 8, no. Last one. 9, nothing. So ticket number 64 is a loser. Let's go to the pure gold. Let's see. Winning number 6, 42, 7, 30, 10, 19, 32, 40, 35, 39, 44, 26, 43, 5, MJ, 27, 37, 31, 8, and 33, 9, 21, 24, 36, 20, 41. I haven't won big yet on this ticket, other than like a ticket or $6. It's okay. Maybe ticket number 34 will do that for us. 3. Nope. 35. Yes, 35. Oh, too bad it wasn't there. 35. 38. My squad. Nope. 28. Sorry, I got a little cold going on, so I might sound congested. 25. No, so we got the 1 match. 35 for a ticket. Yep. I'll take it. Okay. We got the Big Bens. I don't know. I want to win on this ticket, but these odds are kind of high. 5.58 for a cash prize. So let's do the big bonus. Clover. Okay. Let's do 14. 23. Why is my camera moving? Let me tighten it up a little bit. Sorry. 23, 12, 6, 29, 39, 4, 33, 38 my squad, 27, 19, 40, 43, 7, 44, 21, 42, and 15. Let's see. It doesn't look sharp, the picture. Okay, let's match some prizes. 37. Nope. 45. Nope. 3. And 4. 2 more to go. 22. Nope. And 24. No. So another losing ticket. Let's try this ticket number 19 on excuse me, winning 7s. Let's see, get a 3x, a 7x, and a 7 symbol. 44. Oh, it's hard to scratch with this. 42. The surface is crazy. 40. Gotta go. Always have a backup. 24. 37. 13. 8. 9. The whatever the sheeting is on here, it's pretty rough. Hard to scratch. 31. 11. 3x. We got a 3x, guys. All right. 29. 36. 16. 43. Air Force came through. 32. Okay, let's try to match some numbers. 26. Nope. 30. Nope. Double deuce. Nope. 38 my squad. Nope. And the last one, 25. Alright. 3x. What could it be? Dollar. Okay, $6. Alright, we could take that. Not bad. Okay, we clean these off. Got one more $5 left. California Black ticket number 64. You can get a 5x or a 10x. 44. MJ. Brady. 31. 39. 9. 36. 29. 25. 7. 11. 30. So we got $46 from the CVS vending machine out of $65 that we bought. So hopefully we can get just about or more from that, so we can purchase more tickets. Okay, so no multipliers. Lucky number 13. Nope. 24. Nope. 42. Nope. 32. No. Last one. 43. Nope. So we're down $15. We are 6 plus a ticket. We're $11 in. We got 3 more tickets to go. Let's see if the emeralds. Okay, let's do the 50 spot. 53 and 47. Okay. Let's do the prizes. We're looking for a 10 or double $sign. 21, 16, 12, 11. And 11 keeps coming up. 41, 15, 9, 26. And I haven't scratched a 10 at all. In the whole time I started YouTubing or ever for that matter. 23 MJ, 29, 36, 39, and no. This is a losing ticket. Okay. Hopefully these two other ones are good. So let's go with the number 24, 48, 34, 29, 45, 38 my squad, 39, 13, 25, 16, 7, 44, 15, 14, 32, 11, 47, 46, 42, and 30. Come on, let's get some matches. 11. Alright, first one. We got a match. 11 and 11. 39, we got another one. 39 and 39. Alright. 31. No 31s. 26. 47. We got another match. Right here. 47. Nice. And 16. 4 matches. What is that? $5 each? Okay, let's start with 16. Oh, $10. 16. What was the other one? 47. $10. Nice. What was the other one? Oh, I should have circled these. 39. And I'm missing one more. 11. A $40 win. Nice. Nice. I don't hit the big ones lately, but I hit some winners, which is alright with me. I mean, it would be nice to hit some $1,000 or $500, whatever it is. So, let's see if we got any other numbers. 47, no. 26, no. 31, no. We already, okay. $40, not bad. So we are $51 in. We still got this big boy right here. Hit it big. I don't know. Anybody will catch a tiger bite. So if you holler, let him go. My mom told me pick the best one, and you are not it. All right, you are not it. We'll leave it up to the old school. Take old school one. Spade, club, horseshoe, heart, and a gold. Brady, come on. 48, 6, 39, 3. This is hard to scratch too, so I'm glad I picked this one. 33, 18. Because you can't tell in this probably the screen, but I'm really digging into this ticket. 17. You need like a real sharp scratching tool to penetrate this latex coating they have over the numbers. 46. Come on, multiplier. 32. MJ. 44. 28. 13. 7. 24. And 47. Okay, we gotta match some numbers. 45. Nope. 8. Well, let's match a 38 right here. 8. 9. Come on, baby. 1. 15. Come on, come on, come on. We're only down to 3 more. 4. Can we do it? We've done it before. On the last one, 37, but that was on the goat. 37 and 14. Nope, we missed it by 1. So we lost on all these tickets here. So this is 25, $45 loss, but we gained 40. What is this? 40. This is $51. So we got $51, not bad. So enough to get us back and purchase more. I think I'm going to take the money on these winning tickets and go to the other vending machine at the other entrance of the Stater Brothers, which is the one I used to go to all the time, and see how that went. So far, it's been like a 60% or 50% return on the money, I think. Enough to get me back. So I like to go into the vending machines. So that does it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's to you guys. Be safe. Work is tomorrow. Champagne Capo out. Peace.